hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter. Bless up my people, big up on yourself, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Some of viewers and subscribers, I don't know, say a video people was sent to my people about a very tragic accident where them say happen, my people. Down there, you understand, in a Duncans, my people, in a Trelawney side, Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers. And I tell my viewers and subscribers, boy, it's really a sad one, my people. But before I start explaining nothing, my people, I just want you to check out that little clip from the video, my people. You understand, because I feel it to my heart, my viewers and subscribers. And then the attacking boss drop back in. Jaja sees, Jaja know. When I say I feel it, my people, attacking boss, feel it, my people. I feel it. Jaja know. So just check out this, my people.
I have very sad news. I'm here at Duncan's and a guy was making a U-turn and then hit a lady. A lady hit him head on. Lady hit him, he hit the lady hit him head on, and the lady's in the vehicle right now burning. I don't know how bad he is, but the ambulance took him and the accident was so bad, the lady is still in the car burning right now. Jesus, please, she's in the car. So the guy was making a U-turn?
Yeah, spin and I go back way.
And I go back where?
And turn around.
And when him turn around, she came and licked him. Oh my God, man. Jesus. Yeah, I can see the skid mark and everything. Oh my God. That is so sad.
Yes, man.
So sad. So is this one lady in the car? One person in the car? Oh, two people in the car?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Burned to death. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Look at the vehicle burn. Jesus Christ. Wow. Wow, this is horrific. Yeah, there was two people. There was two people in the vehicle. Two people in the vehicle. Wow.
Duncan's bypass, bro. Run a back road. Right. Smadina feet are bone up, brother.
Burn up.
One night feet are bone up.
Some viewers and subscribers, this are now my people, them say happen down there. You understand, as me I tell up on the western side in Jamaica, my people. And as you know, can hear my viewers and subscribers, as them I say, my people, two female, you understand? Chopping at the car, people, based on the accident we go on, my people. And the two of them gone, you can't see what happened. Flames, my people, flames. Eh? And if you look past something like that, my people, and I say, boy, nobody, I don't know if you say nobody never no extinguish and nothing could have, you know, it just sad, my people. If you know the manner, or the two female gone, my viewers and subscribers. Because that the report me get say two of them in there, my people. And one of the female there when me say, yo people, young girl, you know, hotel worker, them say now people from Runaway Bay in a center and with them say work at the Iberia Star Resort, my people. Zane, young girl just in her 20s, my people. Eh? And she just gone that way, my people. Eh? Honestly, my people, what no, when they say something like this, you have to think a lot, you know, and say, yo, serious thing, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Eh? Why? You tell me say it's her time. So why her time have to be so cruel? Why her time have to be so wicked? Why she do something deserve something like this, my people? Eh? That's yo, Jaja know, my people. Eh? Nice girl, just gone like that. People have gone in that way. Them say burn out. People can't see the flames trap in there. People afraid to go there. Nobody now the extinguisher could have go there and do these people. You understand? For your fire truck there. I don't know, maybe for your truck there on the way and reach it, my people never they close, never they near. But I can't see where at my people. Yo, my viewers and subscribers, this world right now, my people, there's a lot of things are going on out there, my people. Plenty stuff are going on. Zine, and even news reach to my people about another incident where it happened in the night, you know, people, Monday night, where them say a hotel worker again, my people, on a bike, she get lick off of the bike and think my people and she not make it. Young girl again, my people, gone, see them where. Eh? So two hotel worker that gone in my people. You see how the things set up, my people, it's crazy out there, you know? A lot of things are going on, my people, and a lot of women have become victim of them. Something how we are going on, my viewers and subscribers, a reality. A lot of go on, the devil loose out there, my people. When I hear about these people accident, my people, and sometimes them gonna say, yo, drive with care, do this and do that, my people. But you are the one who is in care. You are the one, but the devil, the right, the sign of the trap, my people. See it? Because if you can't hear the talk and when the man explain it, massive people, like that the one they are reverse and them do a sit there in the road, my people, and just, yo, Jaja see, Jaja knows. Eh? People, put the Almighty first in everything you do. You understand? The Almighty is real. Remember me telling that, me telling over and over, my people. Put him first in a whatever you wanna do. See it? Put him first because, yo, without the Almighty, we are nothing. I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of them female who drop out in them cruel accident, and may their soul rest in peace, and to all the staff who work in this hotel that they do work and things in the whole hospitality industry. You understand? All of we are more my people, and the whole of we and I feel it. I feel it to my heart, my people. You know what I mean? For no say, yo, look how the we just look on the way chopping our car. Just imagine she get hurt in the car, my people should chop down in there, she can't move when this accident do occur, people, and it just burn out and the pit, yo. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, big up in yourself. Just stay safe out there and just continue to do the right thing. Remember to do, please like, share, comment, and do subscribe, my people. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. I don't know, follow the IG people because a lot of video when I have them and certain video, my people are there, so the people I'm link up and I DM them the video and things. So if you don't follow the thing, people, and you DM me now, get the video. So just follow it, my people. Better you just follow it from now. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Follow the IG because you don't know, sometimes we just do the people who do the first. You understand? So when you know, so use a one way follow the thing long time, you'll be in the first position to get all the quick thing now when we have them, my people. So you don't know, follow the thing, my people, support the thing, support the movement. Thanks the support every time, my people, from my viewers and my subscribers. Anyone a day, enough love and enough respect, my people. Peace out. Alright, H0TEL workers. Jaja sees, Jaja knows.